Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for some practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And in this edition, we're going to be hearing a news article here about an event that's about to happen. And from that, we'll teach you some phrases about it. 我们这个单元呢，今天是要来介绍一些跟客家文化有关的一些事物。然后我们听完之后再教一些生字，好吗
OK
Let's hear it.
The Taipei Hakka Music and Theater Center has partnered with the Taipei Male Choir to organize the Sing for Hakka event. They'll have free classes for anyone interested in singing Hakka songs. Students may even have a chance to participate in a Hakka theater production. Also, on December 15th, come to the Voice of Hakka concert and enjoy a night full of music. It's free, so don't miss out.
Oh, so this is about a musical group here in Taipei that is allowing people not to just watch their performances, but to take part in their performances. 这蛮有趣的哦，这是好像跟什么台北市客家音乐戏剧中心有关的哦。
对。
然后呢，是希望呢，大家尤其是父母亲跟孩子们可以去欣赏跟受培训呢。
对啊，然后还可以自己表演。
Wow, that's awesome！ 这很好，这非常有这个建设性的这样的活动。寓
教于乐。
没错 ，OK。所以呢，他刚刚讲说 ，This Hakka Music Center teamed up with， 好像跟一个团体，对不对？叫什么？
来牵引。
来牵引。
拉千人。
Oh, 拉千人. Okay, that's the name of this group, which is a Taipei male choir. Now, during the time when you're joining them, you can actually pull in your children together. It's kind of a family event. 我们在中文也会讲说是一个非常亲子的活动嘛，对不对？ Close to your children. How do you say that?
情字。
情字. And then finally, this whole thing is free. 听说好像是免费的哈。
是钱。
How you say it's free, no charge at all. 是钱. And finally, after you get your training, you're going to finally take part in a musical. Let's teach you how to say that. 一个舞台剧。
舞台劇。
舞台劇. Let's review all these phrases. First, the title of this group, 拉千人.
来牵引.
来牵引. And an event where you can get close to your children. It's a family event. 亲子. 情字. 情字. It's all free of charge. 免费的. 是钱. 是钱. And you can take part in a musical. 歌舞剧. 舞台劇 or 舞台劇啦哈，舞台劇 And hopefully you and your children can do something really fun and interesting and very meaningful together soon and learn some Hakka too. That does today's practical Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.